Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. So yeah, we have total of 6 boxes, you all. So we have a lot of unboxing to do. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also make sure to hit the bell notification on as well, as I post once every week, be it be my long form videos or shorts. Today in this video, I'm going to share my pink summer sale haul with you all. So this is again not sponsored, all the products are purchased by me, and this video is going to be a little bit long because as you saw, I have a lot of package today with me, and this time I shopped a little bit more because this is my birthday month. My birthday just went, it was on May 19. I'm so proud of me that I haven't got anything फालतू का ऐसा पड़ा रहे मेरे vanity में. Everything is useful, like I'm going to use them every single day. So first I'm going to start with my luxury makeup package because I haven't got a lot of luxury makeup from Nykaa. I got most of the stuff from Cult app. So I thought I would include my Cult haul in this video as well, but so many of you were actually asking me if that app is authentic or not. So I thought maybe I'll just do like a separate video for that. So that will be coming next after this video. First I have the Huda Beauty lip stain. This is what the product looks like. तो सेल में सबसे जो मुझे बेनिफिट लगता है वो है लग्जरी मेकअप शॉप करना, क्योंकि लग्जरी मेकअप में यूजुअली ऑफर्स नहीं होते हैं, बट व्हेन देयर इज सेल टाइम देयर इज ह्यूज डिस्काउंट. एंड प्लस अगर आप प्राइम मेंबर्स हो तो आपको लाइक एक्स्ट्रा 10% या 5% ऑफ कूपन भी मिल जाता है. सो इट्स लाइक अ स्टील डील, आई वुड से. आई वाज एक्चुअली आइंग ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई गॉट इट flat 50% off. Got the shade Berry Kiss. This is what the shade Berry Kiss looks like. For my pigmented lips, it looks like a berry mauve kind of shade. I feel like after using this lip stain, my lips look better. This is smudge proof and waterproof as well. Plus अगर आप heavy oily food खाओगे then निकल जाने का chances है. But if you're going to eat like normal छोटे छोटे bite size kind of snacks or something like that, then ये पूरा रहता है आपके lips में. This is really long lasting. So yeah, definitely worth it. The next product that I have with me is one of my wish list that I have kept like for almost 1.5 years now, and finally I got it. ये मुझे flat 50% off में मिल गया था. So this is the Kayali perfume. I definitely wanted to have a Kayali perfume in my vanity. So this is how the packaging looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute. It screams luxury, you guys. So this has a really strong smell of patchouli at first, like a mix of patchouli and vanilla, but vanilla का ज़्यादा smell नहीं रहता है. But with time, like after 2-3 hours, आपको vanilla fragrance लगने लगेगा. मैंने जो dress मेरे birthday में पहना था अभी तक इसमें इसका fragrance आ रहा है. So definitely worth it. Talking about fragrance, I have another fragrance with me, and this is from the brand Plum. So if you have seen my January favorite, I have mentioned that I really like the smoky vanilla one. I wanted to try this vanilla one as well. It's just that the smoky vanilla one is thoda sa strong, but this is like really sweet. Yeah, दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर वनीला फ्रेग्रेंस. लाइक इसमें कुछ एडेड फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है जैसे कयाली में पचोली एडेड था. इसमें कुछ एडेड नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज लुकिंग टू स्मेल स्वीट देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. बट अगेन आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस फॉर समर सीजन. वर्थ द हाइप. Like I've heard so much about it, I'm glad that I got it. I would like to first show you all my body care products because those were my essentials and I had to get them. So the first body care products that I have with me are from Bath and Body Works. I know they are expensive. That's the only reason why I kind of wait for these sales to get my shower gels. So these are the new variants that I got. For me, they are new. So first I have the lavender and vanilla shower gel, and smells amazing, you guys. It's so unique. I absolutely love this. I haven't used it though. I have the eucalyptus and spearmint body wash. I hope I pronounce it correctly because I was looking for summery shower gels, and spearmint mint hai to it's definitely gonna smell nice during summers. It has a very strong smell of mint. which I really like actually. I never thought, like I really thought कि ये मतलब mint का जो smell है ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा overpowering हो जाएगा, but it smells decent. I am quite excited to use both of these because these are really new for me. ये सबका preference हो सकता है, but when I go to shower it's the only time I feel relaxed. Like हम हर दिन तो like you know ऐसे relax feel कर नहीं सकते. So shower time is the only time where you can relax. You know, like after a hectic day of work. So that's why I keep these body washes for those days. मैं इनको डेली भी यूज़ नहीं करती, मैं एक्चुअली इनको संभाल के रखती हूँ सो दैट जब भी मेरे को ऐसे फील डाउन फील हो एंड you know, I just want to feel relaxed, then I go for these kind of shower gels. Then I have something really interesting. I saw this and I was like, I have to grab this. So I got this during buy one get one sale or maybe flat 50% off sale. I don't remember, but मुझे काफ़ी सस्ते में मिल गया था. So this is the Earth Rhythm Butter Cream Soap. The concept is quite unique, I would say. Just quickly show you the texture. Oh my god, this exactly looks like an ice cream. I got the flavor Frozen Breath Spearmint Oil. Again, spearmint wala fragrance. This has a really strong smell of mint. I'm quite excited to try this one out. Told you earlier this is my birthday month. So हर बर्थडे मंथ में अगर आप प्राइम मेंबर हो तो आपको एक बर्थडे गिफ्ट मिलता है. उसी मंथ में अगर आप नायका से कुछ भी ऑर्डर करते हो तो मुझे ये मिला नायका का मोएका बॉडी लोशन, जो मैं नहीं लगाने वाली बिकॉज आई यूजुअली डोंट अप्लाई बॉडी लोशन एनीवेज. बट या दिस वाज quite a good gift, I would say, like very thoughtful of Nykaa. I think last time they gave me kajal, so this is definitely better than kajal. Probably something that I have already shared on my Instagram stories as well. So this is a repurchase. This is the Animali dry shampoo. ये बाय वन गेट वन में था तो मैं अपने लिए और मेरी मम्मी के लिए ले आई. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, ड्राई शैम्पूज आर सच अ लाइफ सेवियर इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्कैल्प. लाइक अगर आपका हर 2-3 दिन में स्कैल्प ऑयली हो जाता है, डोंट वांट टू शैम्पू एवरी अदर डे, देन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर अ ड्राई शैम्पू. रियली वर्क्स लाइक मैजिक यू गाइज. दिस इज माई सेवियर. Now moving on to skincare, I have this makeup remover from the brand Mars. ये भी मैंने इंस्टाग्राम में ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिया है. सो दिस इज देयर पीच मेकअप रिमूवर. एक्चुअली आई वेयर वाटर प्रूफ मस्कारा एंड इसको निकालने में मेरा जान निकल जाता है एंड आई हैव टू गो फॉर लाइक अ ऑयल क्लेंजर. एंड जब भी मैं ऑयल क्लेंजर लगाती हूँ माई आई स्टार्ट stinging badly. But after discovering this product, like, oh my god, you guys, I just cannot stop using. This is my 7th or 8th purchase of these makeup remover, guys. Actually, if you have oily skin, grab this right away, guys. You are not going to disappointed at all. And also these are quite inexpensive, guys. Like they cost you जस्ट अंडर ₹300, लाइक 270 या 250 का आपको ये इजीली मिल जाएगा क्योंकि ये ऑलमोस्ट हमेशा सेल में रहता है. प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट, एक्चुअली आई गॉट 2 ऑफ दीज बट मुझे अभी एक ही मिल रहा है. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. दिस अगेन इज फ्रॉम मार्स. दिस इज देयर makeup remover wipes. I use this because these are like really go to for content creators because we do a lot of swatches, especially lipstick swatches. Lipstick swatches के टाइम में आप कितनी बार ही micellar water यूज करोगे. It's like it becomes really hectic, you know, and बहुत सारे कॉटन्स भी वेस्ट होते हैं उसके लिए. So अगर मैं एक बार एक वाइप ले लेती हूँ, आई डू 10 लिपस्टिक स्वॉचेस, देन वो एक वाइप में ही पूरा काम हो जाता है. सो आई डोंट नीड टू यूज अ लॉट ऑफ कॉटन पैड्स एज वेल एंड it easily removes it. So next I have few sunscreens with me. So first I have this Dot & Kika tinted sunscreen which is all over my Instagram and all over my YouTube channel as well. So I got the shade Sand. Like it's a decent match. I mean obviously आपको कुछ ज़्यादा tint तो देता नहीं है, but I have already shared my experience with you all on my Instagram story as well. I did not like it. Like my first impression was not that great because when I used it and went outside, I felt like it really exaggerated my dry patches and also my acne patches as well. I think I'm definitely going to give this another try and let you know on my Instagram story as well. Last time जब मैंने यूज़ किया था मैंने इसको सेट नहीं किया था, so maybe that's the reason why it was looking really dry. But yeah, let's see how it works. From the brand Earth Rhythm. So this is SPF 60 PA+++. water resistant sun stick. I was actually looking for an oil free sun stick. Got this. Like इसके reviews काफी अच्छे थे, and my guy friend also used this, and he was like really raving about it. So I was like, I have to get it. Like, let's just see how it works. Also, I really like the color of it. Like, this is so summery, and also अगर आप अपने vanity के सामने रखोगे, this will look so cool. This does not have any fragrance, and okay, it's a jelly like texture. This is what the texture looks like. Definitely let you know on my Instagram story how it works on. Next skincare product that I have with me is from the brand Foxtail. You guys know I love Foxtail. I almost have used all of their products, and I have also used them on in my non-sponsored skincare routine as well. I'll make sure कि मैं अपना night time skincare routine आई बटन में डाल दूंगी, सो प्लीज गो हेड एंड चेक इट आउट. दे आर ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर. रिसेंटली सेल के पहले ही एक्चुअली गोइंग थ्रू माई मेकअप वैनिटी एंड आई डिस्कार्डेड सो मेनी मॉइस्चराइजर सेरम्स लाइक जो एक्सपायर्ड हो गया था. तो एंड बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ख़त्म भी हो गए थे, एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन. आई नीडेड सम ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर, सो आई गॉट दिस. आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट येट. अभी तक सील में है. मुझे पता है कि मेरे को पसंद आएगा, बट in case if I don't like it, I'll also let you know on my Instagram story. Okay, so the last skincare product that I have with me is something that I wanted to get it as soon as it launched, but the price was a little bit high, so I was waiting for कि ये offer में जाए तब मैं इसको buy करूँ, and finally got it. So this is Dermaco in collaboration with Dr. V, and I got their Skin Renew ABC Peptide exfoliator serum. Whenever I have any doubts regarding pigmentation or any skincare concern, I just go ahead and watch her review first. Let's talk a lot about ingredients and everything. I think she's one of the YouTubers from whom I have learned a lot about skincare, and trust me, the knowledge is something that you should definitely crave for and invest in. I was really excited to try this. So first of all, this says that it's a exfoliator serum. हफ्ते में इसको 2 बार यूज़ करना है. But I was kind of confused. Actually, I'm still confused क्योंकि इनके जो डायरेक्शन ऑफ यूज़ में लिखा है, यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 10 मिनट के बाद आपको इसको वॉश ऑफ करना है. But I have seen few influencers who have like attended the event. They are using it like a whole night, full night, like they are using like twice a week, and full night इसको लगा के छोड़ देते. They are not washing it off. So I'm just not sure. And also डॉक्टर भी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में इसके बारे में ज़्यादा भी नहीं बोले, like how to use it and everything. So it's really confusing how to use. So मैंने जो पहली बार यूज़ किया है, ये मैंने जैसे बोला है पैकेजिंग में कि 10 मिनट के बाद इसको लगा के वॉश ऑफ कर दो, मैंने वैसे ही यूज़ किया है. एंड I haven't seen a lot of difference because मैंने एक ही बार यूज़ किया है. Skin goal is to fade these blemishes which I have, and this does say that it helps in blemishes, so I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, now we are done with all the skincare products, and the only thing that I've left with me are the makeup. So first I got the Pond's ka face powder, and I got their natural BB glow. So this is the yellow powder that I got this time. I have already made like a beginner's makeup kit, and अगर वो देखे होगे तो आपको पता ही होगा कि मैंने उसका पिंक पाउडर recommend किया था. The yellow powder and yellow powder will definitely suit my skin, and the days when I don't want my makeup to look bright because pink powder bright कर देता है, then I'll definitely go for it. Next loose powder that I got is from the brand Pack. This is their Spotlight loose powder, and I got in the variant translucent. Translucent powder की जो speciality है, it's not purely white. अगर आप आई डोंट नो कैमरा में कैच कराओगे नहीं, बट आप देख सकते हो इसमें ना थोड़ा सा येलोइश हिंट भी है. सो दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू सूट इंडियन स्किन टोन, क्योंकि इसमें येलो टोन है तो आप भूत की तरह नहीं लगोगे. लाइक कभी कभी होता है ना ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर लाइक ऐसे वाइट कास्ट छोड़ देता है. आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट येट दो, बट या आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. अगर ये अच्छे से काम करेगा ना, देन दिस इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू रिप्लेस माई हुडा ब्यूटी लूज पाउडर फॉर श्योर. तो पैक लूज पाउडर के साथ ये मेकअप पाउच भी मुझे फ्री मिला था, विच इज़ नाइस. लाइक इट्स क्यूट. आई कैन ट्रैवल विथ इट. Yeah, I know, right? Even he's agreeing with me. Makeup product, I have the Maybelline primer. absolutely love their dewy primer, but since it's summer, I thought, I should invest in a good oil based primer, like a matte finish primer, because obviously my skin is combination skin, so I wanted to try this one out and see how well it works. So they say that this is a primer with clay, this is matte plus poreless, and this also has SPF 20. Like, wow, lot of claims. I haven't used it yet, but I'm definitely excited to try this one out and let you know my review, of course. The product that I have with me is something, again, I have tried this before and absolutely loved it, but unfortunately तब उसका shade match नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे लिए. Like there were only 2 or 3 shades. So I'm talking about the Insight Ultra Thin Foundation. So I think they have reformulated or extended their shade range, and I got the shade MN20. जो मैं कंसीलर यूज़ करती हूँ, इनका इनसाइट का जो HD कंसीलर है, मैं उनका भी MN20 शेड ही यूज़ करती हूँ. सो आई गॉट दैट शेड ओनली. एंड पैकेजिंग से लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा लाइट हो जाएगा मेरे लिए, but I don't know, I actually got this to review. So iska full review I'll be uploading soon on my reels and on my shorts as well. Got some more products from Insight Cosmetics only to review it for you guys. No smudge lip colors. This is how the packaging looks like. Absolutely love the cardboard packaging. लव द ombre इफेक्ट गोइंग ऑन. अगेन मैं स्वॉच नहीं कर रही हूँ वीडियो में क्योंकि मुझे इसका रील बनाना है, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. इतने सारे इनसाइट प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने के बाद मुझे उनका ये OG लिक्विड लिपस्टिक फ्री में मिला, एंड I have the shade Red Velvet. This looks like a pinkish, bright neon pinkish shade. This is definitely not my kind of shade. Like I don't even know it's gonna suit me. Like, this is not for me. I'm definitely going to keep it for my blog sale or going to give it away. Into the last product for this haul, I got the Fay Beauty Lip Whip in the shade Ride. तो इनका I think 8 shades था पहले, and now they have added more shades, and their nude shades are amazing. I have the shade Safe Word with me as well. I have already swatched it too. मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी, आप प्लीज जाके चेक कर लो वो कैसा दिखता है. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल शेड, and this is the shade I am currently wearing, and look at this beautiful shade, you guys. Amazing, guys. And these lipsticks are super lightweight. Like, I feel like I have nothing on my lips right now. They don't transfer as well. That's the shade, you guys. It's a beautiful brown shade. It's neither too warm or too cool. Like, it's they describe it as a gingerbread kind of brown shade. It's exactly like that, you guys. I absolutely love this, especially if you have pigmented lips or if you're deeper than me. This shade is gonna look bomb. Like, literally, guys, I'm not even kidding. This just looks amazing, and I'm totally obsessed. I think I'm going to wear this every single day. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video, and also I would really like to thank you guys for buying product from my recommendation. I see you guys. I would also like my YouTube family to let me know if you guys like my recommendations or not. I want my YouTube family to grow up as well, so let me know in the comment section. Got anything from my recommendation? Would really like to know. Also, don't miss the next video, that is going to be my cult app haul, because I have got everything for flat 65% off, and I cannot just wait to share all the stuff that I got. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.